Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday the 9th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of July, 2024, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 28.5%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.19% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often signals a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend level at $485.70 is breached, it will indicate a more pronounced decline. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 20.54% over the upcoming quarter, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 24.14% to an increase of 31.19%. In regard to the 12-month trend, it indicates a remarkable change of 114.71% over the next year, with a potential return between 110.67% and 542.18%. This would correspond to a price range between $1,071.78 and $3,267.18 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock price down 0.231% on Friday. The supermicrocomputer stock price decreased by 0.231% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, falling from $509.94 to $508.76. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.66%, with a day low at $492.04 and a day high of $514.96. Notably, the price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, down by 28.56% during this period. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive indication, as volume should ideally follow the stock. On that day, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, totaling 6 million shares bought and sold for approximately $2.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $1,229, while the lowest was $226.59. Currently, the price stands 58.6% or $720.24 below the 52-week high of $1,229, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, has faced a notable decline, plummeting by nearly 20% in value after an unsatisfactory quarterly earnings report. While the company reported strong revenue growth, its profit margins experienced pressure due to increasing expenses, particularly because of its heavy reliance on NVIDIA chips. This combination of factors has raised concerns about the scalability of its operations, especially considering the risks associated with potential slowdowns in artificial intelligence spending. On a brighter note, there are strong expectations for significant revenue growth in the future, with projections suggesting a doubling of revenue by fiscal year 2025, driven by their innovative data center solutions and liquid cooling technologies. Additionally, the company plans to execute a 10-for-1 stock split, which is intended to make shares more accessible to investors. In the short term, the substantial price drop may create a perception of volatility, leading to a more cautious sentiment among investors. However, if SMCI can effectively leverage the artificial intelligence boom and enhance its profit margins through operational efficiencies, it could see a long-term rally, potentially providing solid returns for those willing to take on risk. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned SMCI a hold rating with a corresponding hold action. On the same date, Goldman Sachs issued a neutral rating for SMCI, also recommending a hold action. Likewise, Barclays gave SMCI an overweight rating with a hold action on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 1st of May, 2024, Goldman Sachs again provided a neutral rating for SMCI with a hold recommendation. On that same date, Bank of America Securities rated SMCI as a buy, accompanying it with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Supermicrocomputer stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, with the stock rising by 3.26% thus far. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been detected, which could impact the short-term trajectory. The stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $576.29 and $769.47. A breakout above either of these thresholds will generate buy signals. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume declined alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 19 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. Supermicrocomputer finds support from accumulated volume at $492.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is subject to significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $22.92 between its highest and lowest points, equating to 4.66%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 10.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is considered relatively typical, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $7.71. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $509.94. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer faces its first support level at $492.70. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Clegg Don W., who bought and sold 1,388 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 23.411. Overall, insiders purchased 27,501 shares and sold 16,188 shares in the last 100 trades. We have an unfavorable assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we believe its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer will open lower by $3.51, starting at $505.25. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.